Good day. Introduce yourself.
Hello, Master. My name is Cynthia Acevedo. I am 35 years old, single. I'm high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and four sisters.
And what is your position in the family?
The youngest,
Okay. Do you have boyfriend right now or you a live-in partner? How long you been together?
2 years.
2 years. You have kid?
No.
Okay. Okay. And have you ever worked before as a helper?
Yes.
Where?
In Davao City.
So here in the Philippines.
Yes.
And how many members of the family did you serve?
One couple and one child.
How old the child?
8 years old girl.
Okay. So what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do the cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, taking care of the pets, mostly the child.
Okay. So you took care of the child. Do you share room with the kid or you have your own room?
I will share with the kid.
Share room.
Yes.
Okay. You cook for them.
Yes.
What kind of dishes you prepare?
Filipino foods.
So what Filipino food can you cook?
Like adobo, mostly, and kare-kare, something, the other.
You love to cook. You love to cook.
Yes.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work Hong Kong to support my family and for my future.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 to 5 years now.
So what if your still employer wants you? Are you willing to extend your contract with them?
Yes.
Okay. So your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise, ma'am, that
What can you assure?
I am a trustworthy, hardworking, and disciplined. Good. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. HL 2312.